Hello traders, this is Dimitrios Haralampidis from Snail Trading, and I haven't published a video since a while. And given the yesterday's bounce in the New Zealand dollar, that was quite unexpected based on my analysis, and changes a lot of stuff to that analysis, and I have to work on that. So probably I'm not gonna publish any updated charts anytime soon this week before I figure out what exactly has happened. But looking at the daily chart at this point, I can see a few important things. So probably, since the rebound is so sharp, and if we look at smaller time frames, we can see that the impulse to the upside seems not to be complete so far. I'm looking into the possibility of this channel and the extension of this rebound towards the upper boundaries of this channel. This could also be a bullish flag, and that would mean that we will have a continuation to the downside after we break the channel to this will be the confirmation. If we break this channel to the downside, it will be a continuation of the downtrend for a wave, for the fifth wave that I'm expecting to finish a larger correction. But anyway, there is a lot of things that need to happen until then. So far, what I see is a very strong and bullish move on the New Zealand dollar, but I had lies strong resistance. We have a strong resistance at 0.7170, which is this low here, and also this low is around that level, but the closing prices of those candles are much higher at 0.7260. The problem with this count, however, as it turns out, is that if this is actually wave 1 and this is wave 2, first of all, this wave 4 is too big to be of such a degree. The other problem is that if we break above this resistance, the 0.7170, it is likely that prices will eventually reach the upper boundaries of this channel, which and prices will get very near to wave 1, and thus invalidation of this count. If we get a Fibonacci retracement of wave 3 to see how much prices have retraced this wave 3, we can see that prices have broken above the 61.8% retracement of that move, and this is also a very, very bullish signal, because this level it was important in the past. We see how prices have bounced here, and then they reacted as a resistance before the downside, and it is also there was an attempt to break above this level 2 times and was rejected, and now it is broken to the upside, which suggests that we are likely heading towards the next important Fibonacci retracement, which is 78.6, and this is exactly what happened here. We had 2 attempts at the 50% retracement, and after it was it was more than 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th attempt price is broken above it, and then they continue until the 61.8% retracement. On the other hand, the RSI is already within the overbought zone here, but that doesn't mean it cannot extend higher while this is retreating, especially if it is about to register a wave 5 in this form, something like that. A move higher, then a small correction, and a wave 5 that will reach these levels. And we also must keep in mind that this candle here that we believe that ended wave 1 has a low of 0.73 0.7317, which is still more than 50 pips higher than the 78.6% retracement of wave 3. Given that, even if prices reach the 78.6% retracement and they reverse from there, the count remains valid. All I'm saying here is that that scenario is possible, although the higher we're getting with this rebound, the less probable it becomes. Invalidation, I'm repeating here, invalidation comes at 0.73 0.73 17 0.73 168, and as long as prices remain below that level, the whole wave 4 scenario will remain valid. I'm gonna take the time and try to relabel and recount those waves here, but it is something, it will be something of the sort that somewhere we have a wave A and then a very complex wave B, and this is wave C for an ABC for this Y wave. That is the explanation that I see from this higher time frame from the daily chart. So that sums up everything about this video and my expectations about the New Zealand dollar, and also I had a chance to explain you why you are probably not gonna see any more updates this week on this pair. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice and profitable day. Goodbye.